Hi, my name is Megan Davenport, and I decided to make my infographic based on the E. coli resistance to tetracycline in cow. So to begin, I designed this graphic with blocks to kind of emphasize the rule of thirds, which is if you separate the image into three, as you can see here, top and middle and bottom, then the viewer's attention span is joined to one particular part of the image. So in this situation, the particular part would be the livestock. I also used a monochromatic color scheme in which the colors are very closely related to each other. In monochromatic color schemes, one color is just saturated a little bit more or a little less to create different variations of that color. And you can see that in the browns and the oranges and kind of the tannish colors. Kind of keeps it a little bit more uniform. I also use proximity, in which case the reader perceives close things to be similar or related. I did this with the livestock, in which the similar colored or close values are the value of that animal group. Also, I utilize figure and ground, and this is when you can make a differentiation between the background and the figure. Seen here, the hamburgers and the milk, and also the animals, are meant to be the objects, and the background is all the other color. Similarity between the burgers and the milk. You can tell that the burgers are supposed to be representative of a similar value, which is the 70% of beef cows versus the 24% of dairy cows. So they're obviously the same. Closure. I also use this with the figures. You can see down here too that even though the shapes are not fully defined, the viewer can still tell what the object is and fill in that information. Burgers here, they're not touching. They don't look like they look like an actual burger. The viewer can kind of relate to this. And focal points, finally, I kind of range the size of the animals to kind of stress the importance of the values, but also the main focal points here are the turkey, and they kind of draw the viewer's attention. The subdominant focal points, subdominant focal points are kind of the burgers and the other images that are further down. And this kind of displays the hierarchy I placed within the design. I also showed some kind of data trends with the size of the animals and the placings of the burgers. Also the size of the humps to kind of show percentages over the years. So those are my design principles. I hope you find these visually pleasing. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for your time.